Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. I am the maths mentor, and today let us discuss about subtraction formula for two angles. For any two angles A and B, sin A minus B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What is the formula? For sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So, without using trigonometric table, find the values of sin 15. They may ask you to find the value of sin 15. You know, 15 degrees we can write as 15 we can write as 60 minus 45. Of course we can write as, if you subtract from 60 45 degrees, 10 minus 5 5 and 5 minus 4 1. 15 degrees we can write as 60 minus 45. Now if you observe this, which is in the form of sin A minus B. Here what is the value of A? Here A equal to 60 degrees and B equal to 45 degrees. They are the two angles. For any two angles A and B. Here A is nothing but 60 degrees and B is nothing but 45 degrees. Okay. We have the formula sin A minus B is equal to sin A value 60 degrees into cos B value 45 degrees minus cos A value 60 degrees into sin B value 45 degrees, right? And we know that sin 60 degrees, sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2 into cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 minus cos 60 is 1 by 2 into sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, right? Now multiplication, root 3 into 1, root 3 by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 minus 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. Okay, as the denominator is same, retain its denominator as it is. If the denominators are same, directly we can subtract its numerators. Its numerators are root 3 and 1. So children, the value of sin 15 is, sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the first subtraction formula for any two angles A and B. Now coming to second formula, that is cos of A minus B. Cos A minus B. So cos of A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What is the formula of cos of A minus B? Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, right? So let us find the value of cos 15 degrees by using this formula. Cos 15 degrees as 15 we can write as cos 60 minus 45. If you subtract 45 from 60, you will get 15 degrees only. Now, which is in the form of cos A minus B. What is the formula of cos A minus B? That is cos A cos 60 and cos B, cos 45 degrees plus sin A sin 60 into sin B, sin 45 degrees, right? in between we have plus cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So we know that cos 60 value 1 by 2 and cos 45 value 1 by root 2 plus sin 60 value root 3 by 2 into sin 45 value 1 by root 2. So 1 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 plus root 3 into 1, root 3 by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. As the denominator is same, here also 2 root 2, here also 2 root 2. So the LCM is 2 root 2. If the denominators are same, directly we can add numerators, that is 1 plus root 3. Therefore, what is the value of cos 15 degrees? Cos 15 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is our cos 15 degrees. Okay. So the first formula is sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Second formula is cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay. Now let us go with tan formula. That is tan A minus B. Can you guess what is the formula of tan A minus B? Tan A minus B equal to tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Right? Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay? So, similarly, let us find the value of tan 15. Tan 15 degrees. So, we can write as tan 15 as tan 60 minus 45. Now, if you observe this, which is in the form of tan A minus B. So, we have the formula of tan A minus B, that is tan A is nothing but 60 degrees here and B is nothing but 45 degrees here. So, tan 60 minus tan 45 divided by 1 plus tan A, I mean tan 60 into tan B, I mean B value 45 degrees. Right? So, we know that tan 60 value root 3 minus tan 45 value 1 divided by 1 plus tan 60 is root 3 into tan 45 value is 1. So that is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 1 plus root 3 into 1 root 3. Right? So as the denominator is here 1 plus root 3. Okay, what is the rationalizing factor of 1 plus root 3? That is 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3. So, let us write 1 plus root 3 as, let us write 1 plus root 3 as root 3 plus 1. Okay. Now, the rationalizing factor of root 3 plus 1 is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now, if you observe the numerator, here also root 3 minus 1 and here also root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, that is equal to root 3 minus 1 whole square divided by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1, that is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. The formula of a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A is nothing but root 3 whole square, b is nothing but 1 square. Now, which is in the form of a minus b whole square. So, what is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b divided by square root cancel 3 and 1 square value is 1. Again here square root gets cancelled. So 3 plus 1 square value 1 minus 2 into 1 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So 3 plus 1 nothing but 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Now from these two terms I can take 2 as common. Let me do it here. If I take 2 as common, 2 2s are 4 minus 2 1s are 2 divided by 2. As 2 2 gets cancelled, 2 minus root 3. So students, therefore, what is the value of tan 15 degrees? As tan 15 value is 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. So this is our third formula, that is tan A minus B. So tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Now coming to fourth formula, cot A minus B. Cot A minus B equal to cot A, cot B, cot A, cot B minus 1 by cot B minus, plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. So coming to fourth formula, that is little bit confusion. This is cot A minus B is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 here divided by cot B minus cot A. We have to practice twice or thrice so that we can remember this formula. Cot A minus B is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A. Okay. Now let us find what is the value of cot 15 degrees. So cot 15 I can write as cot 60 minus 45. Nothing but children, this is in the form of cot A minus B. Here A value is 60 degrees and B value is 45 degrees. Right? Now we have the formula of cot A minus B. Cot A into cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A. Right? So here cot B minus cot A, as B value 45 degrees minus A value 60 degrees. So what is the cot 60 value? Cot 60 is 1 by root 3 into cot 45 value 1 plus 1 divided by cot 45 value 1 minus cot 60 value is 1 by root 3. Okay. Now here nothing in the sense 1, as well as here also nothing in the sense 1. So 1 into 1, 1 by root 3 plus 1 divided by 1 whole divided by, as 1 comma root 3 LCM is root 3. Cross multiplication, root 3 into 1 root 3 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Again let us see for numerator as well as root 3 comma 1 LCM is root 3. 1 into 1 1 plus root 3 into 1 root 3 whole divided by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled. We got root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Again rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1 is root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. As root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1, I can write as root 3 plus 1 whole square divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. I can write as root 3 minus root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. Right? Now again, which is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b divided by square root cancel 3 minus 1 square is nothing but 1. Again here square root cancel 3 plus 1 square 1 plus 2 into 1 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 2. Okay, again 3 plus 1 that is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So let me write here, from there if I take 2 common, 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into 1 2 root 3 divided by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, 2 plus root 3. So children, so what is the value of, therefore cot 15 degrees equal to 2 plus root 3. So we found sin 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees and tan 15 degrees and cot 15 degrees by using subtraction formula for two angles. And also let us discuss about two more important identities. So what are the two more important identities? Important identities. Coming to first one, sin a plus b, sin a plus b into sin a minus b, I can write as sin square a minus sin square b, or else I can write as cos square b minus sin square, cos square b minus cos square a. So this is the most important identity. When we are solving the problems, we will use these identities. Coming to first one, sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b equal to sin square a minus sin square b, or else we can use cos square b minus cos square a. So based on this, let us solve one problem, that is sin square 52 and 1 by 2 degrees minus sin square sin square 22 and half degrees, 22 and 1 by 2 degrees. If you see here, which is in the form of sin square a minus sin square b. Here children, a is nothing but 52 and 1 by 2 degrees. As 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5, nothing but which is 52.5. Now coming to b value, b equal to 22 and 1 by 2 degrees. So 22 and 1 by 2 is nothing but 22.5. Right? So as we know that sin square a minus sin square b is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Right? So sin a plus b, a value 52.5 plus b value 22.5 into sin a value is 52.5 minus b value is 22.5. Okay, so 52.5 plus 22.5, that is 10, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So if you add 52.5 and 22.5, you will get sin 75 into sin 52.5 minus 22.5, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0 and 5 minus 2 3. That is equal to sine 30 degrees. Okay, what is the value of sine 75? As sine 75 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into sine 30 value is 1 by 2. So root 3 plus 1 into 1, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into 2 as 2 into 2, that is 4 root 2. So root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Is it clear, children? The first identity is sine a plus b into sine a minus b. That is equal to sine square a minus sine square b. Or else we can use cos square b minus cos square a. So here given question is find the value of sine square 52 and half degrees minus sine square 22 and half degrees. So I mean which is in the form of sine square a minus sine square b. So that I can use the formula sine a plus b into sine a minus b. So 52.5 plus 22.5, 75 degrees. 52.5 minus 22.5, 30 degrees. So sine 75 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. Product of numerators root 3 plus 1 into 1, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4 root 2. So this is our first important identity. Now let us go with second important identity. That is cos of a plus b into, second one is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, that is equal to cos square a minus sin square b, or else cos square b minus sin square a. Children, what is the second identity? Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So this is also an important identity, nothing but cos square a minus sin square b, or else cos square b minus sin square a. That is the second important identity. Now let us find the value of cos square 15 minus sin square 15. See, cos square a, cos square 15 minus sin square 15. If you observe this, which is in the form of cos square a minus sin square b. So what is the formula of cos square a minus sin square b? Is nothing but cos a plus b. Here a is nothing but 15 degrees. As well as b is also 15 degrees into cos a is nothing but 15 minus b is nothing but also 15, right? So cos 15 plus 15, that is equal to 30 into cos 15 minus 15, which is equal to 0 degrees. So cos 30, as cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 into cos 0 is 1. So root 3 into 1, root 3 divided by 2. So these are the subtraction formula for two angles and two important identities. Okay. Also, let us solve few problems related to compound angles, and they are the most important sums that they will ask in examinations. Right. So let us solve the first question. If cos of a minus b equal to 1 by 2, if cos of a minus b equal to 1 by 2 and sin of a plus b equal to 1 by 2, then find A and B. So this type of method problems are very very important. If cos of A minus B equal to 1 by 2, given cos A minus B value is 1 by 2 and sin A plus B value is 1 by 2. Okay children, we know that as 1 by 2 is the value of what? I mean cos A minus B equal to cos 30 values. I mean cos 60 value is how much? As we know that cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Okay, as cos gets cancelled, so nothing but A minus B equal to 60 degrees. This is our equation number 1. Now coming to second one, given sin of A plus B equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of what? Nothing but sin 30. As sin get cancelled, so A plus B equal to how much? 30 degrees. This is our equation number 2. Okay, now let us solve equation number 1 and equation number 2. As equation number 1 is A minus B equal to 60 degrees and equation number 2 is A plus B equal to 30 degrees, right? Now plus B minus B gets cancelled. We are adding here A plus A, 2A equal to 60 plus 30, nothing but 90 degrees. So 2 table, 2 1 jar, 2 45 degrees. Okay, therefore A value how much? Therefore A equal to 45 degrees. Now substitute A equal to 45 in equation number 2. As equation number 2 is A plus B equal to 30. I mean 45 plus B equal to, as we got A value is 45 degrees. So 45 plus B equal to 30. So B equal to 30 minus 45. So 30 minus 45 which is equal to minus 15 degrees. So B value is how much? B equal to minus 15 degrees. Right? Now coming to one more problem, that is tan A minus B tan A minus B equal to 1 and sec A plus B equal to 2, sec A plus B equal to 2, then find the value of A and B, right? So tan A minus B equal to 1, tan A minus B equal to 1, right? We know that tan 45 value is 1. So tan A minus B equal to tan 45 degrees. Okay, tan gets cancelled. So A minus B equal to 45 degrees. This is our equation number 1. Right? You know, sec A plus B I can write as 1 by cos A plus B. I mean reciprocal of sec is cos, right? So sec A plus B I can write as 1 by cos A plus B, that is equal to 2. Nothing means here I can write as 1. So cross multiplication, 2 into cos of A plus B equal to 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. So cos of A plus B equal to 1 by 2. Cos which value 1 by 2? Cos of A plus B equal to cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So cos gets cancelled. A plus B equal to 60 degrees. That is our equation number 2. Now solve equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 2 is a plus b equal to 60 degrees, and equation number 1 is a minus b equal to 45 degrees, right? Plus b minus b gets cancelled. A plus a, 2a, 60 plus 45, that is equal to 105. So a equal to 105 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 252.5. So what is the value of a? A value is 52.5 degrees. Okay. Now substitute a equal to 52.5 in equation number 2. So 52.5 plus b equal to 60. So b equal to 60 minus 52.5. Right? 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. So what is the value of b? As the b value is 7.5 degrees. So these are the most important questions that may ask in our first term exam. Children, I hope you understood compound angles. In the previous video we discussed about addition formula for two angles, and in this video we have discussed about subtraction formula for two angles and two more important identities, and based on that we have done some numericals as well as, and also these two sums are the most important questions. Okay, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it to your friends, children. Thank you.